Juggling separate online store platforms and retail management hero, RMH, systems can be overwhelming. RMH Integrated Web Store by X2X eCommerce offers a seamless solution. Envision effortless management of your hybrid retail business through a unified platform, with real-time inventory updates and online order processing from RMH. This integration is the game changer you need, freeing you from tedious tasks and empowering you to focus on brand growth and customer satisfaction. Stand out with over 25 pre-designed themes, each customizable to reflect your brand's unique style. With our all-in-one integration solution, your online store will operate flawlessly alongside your RMH system. Visit our website or contact us to learn more and take control of your e-commerce future. Schedule your free consultation with X2X eCommerce today.